Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. I am Natasha, your English teacher. We are launching Module 1 of our free YouTube lecture series, in which we will provide you 1,500 commonly used English sentences in our upcoming 100 lectures, and we will also guide you how to use them in your speech to speak English confidently, fluently, and like a native speaker. Without any delay, let's start Lesson 1 of Module 1. Sentence number 1 is, Hi, how are you? Use how are you as a friendly, standard way to greet someone and start a conversation after saying hello. Sentence number 2 is, I am doing well. Use this as a polite, direct update on your status. Sentence number 3 is, Haven't seen you in a long time. Use this as a warm, casual way to reconnect with someone you haven't spoken to or met with recently. Sentence number 4 is, Where have you been for so many days? Use this question as a friendly and curious way to check in with someone you haven't seen or heard from in a while. Sentence number 5. Nothing much, just a casual routine. Use this as a relaxed, low-key response to "What's up?" or "What have you been up to?" when your day has been normal and quiet. Sentence number 6 is, I am sorry. Use this to take responsibility for a mistake or to show empathy when someone shares bad news. Sentence number 7 is, It's my pleasure. Use this when you genuinely enjoyed helping someone. Sentence number 8 is, That's all right. Use That's all right to accept an apology or to say that a situation is okay. Sentence number 9 is, What is going on? Use this sentence to ask someone for an update or to find out what is happening right now. Sentence number 10 is, I am on the way. Use this when you are traveling to a place and want to tell someone you will arrive soon. Sentence number 11 is, What are you doing? Use this to ask someone about their current activity or what they are busy with. Sentence number 12 is, Stop kidding. Use this when someone is making a joke or teasing you and you want them to be serious. Sentence number 13 is, Please keep quiet. Use this when you need silence or want someone to stop talking immediately. Sentence number 14 is, I am very busy today. Use this when you need to politely decline an invitation or explain why you cannot take on more tasks at the moment. Sentence number 15 is, You should have told earlier. Use this when you are frustrated because receiving information sooner would have changed your plans or prevented a mistake. Subscribe for more videos and latest updates.